What are the primary challenges SaaS startups in Seattle encounter? For starters, these startups grapple with navigating the labyrinth of revenue recognition, managing intricate subscription models, and adhering to industry-specific regulations. Yet, in the heart of Seattle lies a vibrant tech ecosystem teeming with opportunities for innovative tech startups. The city pulsates with potential and promise. In this fast-paced, dynamic environment, a strategic ally well-versed in the nuances of software as a service can be the game-changer. Enter the specialized CPA firm. Imagine a hypothetical SaaS startup in Seattle struggling with the complexities of financial management in the tech industry. Suddenly, they found a beacon of hope, a CPA firm that specializes in their field. This wasn't just any partnership, it was a strategic alliance that would reshape their financial landscape. This CPA firm wasn't just about crunching numbers, they understood the unique challenges and opportunities that come with the tech business model. They provided tailored financial strategies and insights that ensured the startup's financial health and scalability. They navigated the intricate maze of revenue recognition, subscription models, and compliance with industry-specific regulations. It was like having a financial GPS that guided the startup through the rough terrains of the tech industry, decoding complexities and turning them into stepping stones for success. With Huddleston Tax CPA's expertise, these startups not only survived the challenging environment but also thrived with the strategic partnership. What can we take away from this success story? In a nutshell, SaaS startups in Seattle face unique challenges, from intricate revenue recognition to navigating subscription models and compliance with industry-specific regulations. Partnering with a CPA firm well-versed in these nuances can be a game-changer. Not just number crunchers, these specialized CPAs are strategic allies offering tailored financial strategies and crucial insights. For SaaS startups in Seattle, partnering with a CPA firm that understands their unique needs can be the difference between merely surviving and truly thriving in the dynamic tech ecosystem.